Hello, I'm Rose and welcome to my channel, The Crafty Rose. Today's class will be showing you how to make a refrigerator magnet. These refrigerator magnets I recycle from these magnets that are promotional from. This is from a pizza place. This is from a vet that we don't go anymore. You see, it's magnets. This would be a little calendar that a realtor sends every year. So we are just going to reuse it. This is my personal one. I had this for, wow, more than 10 years on my fridge. And it just reminds me of taking my blood test and take my vitamins and everything. So this is what I want to show you how to make. We are going to use this one. The secret that you might not know, to make a dry erase area, I use this. I use the glossy packing tape, because when you put that on top of any paper, it has to be glossy one, you just note whatever you want to write, and when you're done, it's gone. Okay, I just put glossy tape in this one. I didn't want you to endure the peeling on the tape because it's really loud. So I just put the, if you can see that it has the tape on it. We're going to cover this. Okay? I am going to use here some paper that has adhesive on the back, but if you don't find that, any other tape would be good. I would recommend for you to use tape all over, very close to the edge, and then 2 more just to make it smoother. Okay, let me try here. Let's try. There we go. Okay, it's all here. Cool. Now let's go to this side. I'm not gonna take the adhesive completely, just the part that I'm going to use. Excellent. Go there. Now let's get here close to the edge. There we go. Excellent. Now, this other part, we can use it in some other project. No, it's just, we're now finished on the edges. To decorate this, just go to your stash of embellishments. You can put on some embellishment that you already made, or you can get decorations. The decorations, the buttons and sequins and rhinestones that you have, you can just play here and put whatever you want. There are no rules. And as I say, make it your own. Just make it very special, because it will be on your fridge. So everybody that comes to visit will see it. And then you can brag and say, yes, I did it myself. With the help of the Crafty Rose. Yes, okay, so. Oops. Here, it's just a little bit. There you go. You can use ribbons, fibers. This is one of those tap things that were very in lots of years ago. So this is my, no, longer like this. Oops. So you just put this on the edge. And now just put the other part. There. We are kind of like we're gonna put this here, and then some, and so you don't have to put it specifically on the edge. This doesn't go in anything that is size restriction, so you can put anything you want. What's there? What about that? It could be as bulky as you want, because it will go on the fridge. Okay, so maybe some buttons. The color is not good. Maybe it's purple. Oh, this butterfly. Butterfly, put it here. Again, these will not go good here for the color. Let's do the butterfly there. And no so somber, more cheery. More vibrant colors. Okay. It's interesting when you have lots of different things that you don't know what to do with them. Just put it in a project. There are plenty of different projects that we'll be showing you here. So you just browse, look for whatever you want, and then make it your own. Yes. Diva. This is a fiber. I'm just gonna put it here. I don't know, it would be kind of skinny, but this one on this one, yes. Oh, I forgot the rhinestones. Yeah. Let's put this here. Maybe put this here. So we can put it in the back so it won't be seen. Here. Oh, this one's. Wow, I even can take this out and put the rhinestones. Okay. I love my bling. There we go. Let's put this flower here. Oh, it's looking so nice. It's gonna leave a message for your mom or for your daughter. When they have this personalized and colorful magnet message, they will just be maybe more motivated to tell you where they are or a message for you, so you won't get worried. There we go. Excellent. Yeah. Then you can keep putting different embellishments if you want. And that will be the class for today. If you have any questions, suggestions for a new class, or just to say hello, please leave your comment below. And if you like the content of our channel, please like and subscribe. And if you hit notifications, you will not miss any one of our classes. I'm very grateful because you are here. And remember, stay crafty.